My name is Roberto Navarro. I am a PCC graduate from 2025 with an Associate of Science. I'm currently a full-time student at the University of Arizona, studying mechanical engineering. My dream is to work at Toyota in Japan and design cars in the future. Working on cars has been one of the most fulfilling things I've done, but it gets frustrating because parts don't go where they should be sometimes. They're in some weird spots. I've worked on cars before, I've actually been under the hood, been under the car, knowing that this probably should have been designed a different way to make it a little easier to work on. My passion is to make the future of cars easier to work on for mechanics, also cheaper for consumers. I found that engineering was the calling that I was still missing. I love my CAD classes because it gave me the freedom to design something on a computer which I could be able to 3D print and hold in my hand. It gave me the freedom to take an idea I had in my head and throw it on a computer and see if it would work, or if a part had broken, I could redesign it in a better way. My real drive is helping my family to say we've achieved something. It isn't just like actually going to work on stuff, it's actually telling my dad that I crossed the stage for the first time.
Roberto Alfonso Navarro Bocanegra.
I'm glad I came to Pima because I met great people I've got to know. Pima has prepared me for the U of A. I'm extremely glad that I came to Pima first because it was one of the biggest opportunities I got. The teachers, the programs, the friends, the classmates, seeing their passion, seeing my passion just fueled me to keep going, to keep up with them.